You really need to familiarize yourself with the job descriptions of the roles that you are applying to. You need to really be mirroring the language that is used in those job descriptions, specifically around kind of keywords. Because for me, in my process, what I'm going to do is, if again we have roles right now that have 500 applicants for them, it is not feasible for me to manually review each one. I have to do something to apply some filter that I can reduce that the best way that I know how. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to run the job title. So if we're looking for a project manager and I run a filter of anybody that has product manager in the title out of 500 applicants, you'd be shocked at how many don't have it at all. And so my suggestion is, let's say hypothetically, you're interested in this role as a product manager, but you've been working as like a product owner or a program manager, even though essentially you're doing the same job, but it's maybe a slightly different title. You're very confident you can do the role. Go ahead and modify that job title to make it fit what we're looking for, because we're not going to identify someone who's a program manager for a product management role more often than not. We have to, I mean, that's the most bare minimum thing that I can do to try and reduce some of these down. And then I'll certainly apply some additional filters, maybe some specific skill sets here, or, whatever it may be. But first and foremost is really just trying to match the language that's in there. And it sounds very tedious, and it's going to be, because you should have already multiple versions of your resume based on the types of roles that you're applying to. Titles are not uniform across different environments. The type of work that you might be doing under one title here might be exactly something that a company calls something entirely different. And so it's just a matter of making sure that you're giving yourself the best opportunity there to game the system a little bit,